Good afternoon. Today I'm going to change the air filter on a 2013 Ford Focus with the 2.0 and flex fuel. I have done this before, but I forgot to videotape it, so today it's pretty simple and it's easy to do, so you can save a little money doing it yourself. So if you're interested, stick around. Thank you. So this is the air box. In the 2013 Focus, there are 4 bolts that are 8 millimeters all the way around, and you remove those or loosen those, and then you pry up on this. So I'm going to get the filter ready, and then I'll remove the bolts and I'll show you how to do this. This is a filter I'm going to use that I was able to get. I usually like to get Motorcraft, but they didn't have one, so I got the Pure later. These are relatively expensive for air filters. I think I paid $29 plus tax for it. So I don't know what the dealer charges to change this, but once you see how easy this is, you're gonna say, man, I can do that. So anyways, and it's always good to keep a clean air filter in the car. It does a couple things. It protects your engine, but it also helps you get better gas mileage. So let us do this. So like I said, remove the 4 bolts or loosen them. And you can tell when they're loose, and again, this is the loot-filled Focus that I'm getting close to being done with, so I wanted to make sure I do all the regular maintenance stuff. I already did a video on how to change the oil in these, so I won't show you that one. But I had not, when I look back, done one on how to change this air filter. So let's get it loose. So you just pull up if you got it loose enough. I guess I should have got a little bit longer extension. Son of a biscuit. As you can tell from the sweat drips, I'm still in South Louisiana. There you go. And that's how you get to your filter element. This one looks a little dirty, so it slides out of the back of the housing. There's a little notch in there, and then you pull it towards your right, and then you can just lift it right up. So as you can see, it's got some bugs in it and it's dirty. So and that's what the round part sticks on over. And I'll show you just a minute. I will show you the slot that the back of it slides into. All right, this is the slot that I'm talking about in relation to everything else. There's a slot here, and then there's a slot in the cover as well. So that's where they both go. So I'm gonna put you down and get the new filter out and show you how to put that in. Take the new handy dandy air filter out. As you can tell, it's a lot nicer. So you put it down in there, and then you fit it on that the round circular part, and then once you get that on, you fight with it and get it down into that groove, which is not going in. So I don't know why it doesn't want to. There we go. So you just lift up on the bottom a little bit and it slides right in. Then you place the cover back over with making sure everything gets in the slots correctly. And once you do that, tighten her all down and you're good to go. Ah, there we go. It's in the slot right there. And so now I just got to tighten it up.
Could have thrown something if I told the truth. I did what I knew.
And there you have it. I'll tighten it all down, but you see how simple that was, how quick it was. So you can definitely do it. I mean, you need a 8mm. That's it. So thank you for watching and have a great day.
Would lead to more as it all came out.